All right, welcome to the 186th District Court. Court is in session. This is cause number 2018 CR 4139, State of Texas versus Christian Beck. We're here today for a motion to enter adjudication of guilt. We're conducting this hearing via video conference using the Zoom application. We are also using YouTube to live stream the proceedings to keep the hearing public. The time now is 10:04 a.m. on the 29th day of June 2021. These proceedings are official, they're on the record, and they're being recorded by the official court reporter. Counsel and all present are instructed to act as though you are in court, and all are instructed not to record the proceedings. If I could have the attorneys make appearances, starting with the state of Texas, please.
Lindsay Shaw for the state.
Melissa Lesniak for the defendant.
Sir, are you the same Christian Ryan Beck, who was placed on deferred adjudication on June 29th, 2018, 3 years ago to the day, it looks like, for possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 2, less than 1 gram. Is that you, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
And state, do we have an agreement?
We do, Your Honor. For the defendant's plea of true to the MTR, the state is in agreement that he be adjudicated guilty, revoked from community supervision, and sentenced to 55 days in the Bexar County Jail under Article 1244. It is judgment satisfied.
Ms. Lesniak, is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes.
And Mr. Beck, is that your understanding as well?
Yes, sir.
Now, sir, if I agree to this, I ask that you waive your right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you agree with that?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Ms. Lesniak, do you agree with that as well?
Yes.
All right, sir, I'm going to use a function of Zoom. It's called share screen. I'm going to show you a document. It's called the defendant's consent to proceed by video conference. You should see that, and I'm going to scroll down and use my cursor to circle around electronic signature. Is this your signature here, sir? Do I have the right document up? No. All right. Let's see. Sorry about that. Give me just a second, everyone. Here we go. All right, this should be it here. And again, this is electronic signature. I'm using my cursor circle around. Is this your signature, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing this document, you're telling me you understand that normally we do hearings live and in court, but that you are consenting to do this hearing by video conference. Did you understand that when you signed this document?
Yes, sir.
I approve the consent and I make it a part of the record. I'm going to use share screen again. This time I'm going to show you the actual motion in this case. Ask you, are you familiar with this document?
Yes, sir.
Did you go over this with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, do we waive reading of the motion?
Yes.
Going to get out of share screen. Mr. Beck, to the allegation listed on the motion that you violated condition number 14 of your community supervision, how do you plead true or not true?
True, Your Honor.
You understand, just by pleading true, I can find that the violation is true and revoke your community supervision.
Yes, sir.
Do you still wish to plead true?
True.
Well, it's a yes or no question though, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I find that the violation is true. I grant the state's motion. You're hereby revoked, sir, and now find you guilty of the underlying offense. Counsel, is there any legal reason as to why your client cannot be sentenced today?
No, Your Honor, but when given an appropriate moment, I'd like to speak on his behalf.
Oh, okay. This would be the appropriate moment now.
Thank you. So since my client's release from Bexar County Jail in June, end of May, he has completed approximately 80 hours community service starting on June 14th, 2021. And his last community service hours are June 25th, 2021 at Habitat for Humanity. I have provided the court probation officer a copy of this by email and provided the state with a copy of this by email. Furthermore, the defendant, Mr. Beck, is attending and has attended a 12-step program at Club 12 starting June 14th, 2021. His last attendance was June 17th, 2021. He also has 2 minor children he's taking care of and a wife who is sickly. So he kindly asked this court to follow the agreed recommendation.
All right, thank you, Ms. Lesniak. Is there any legal reason as to why your client cannot be sentenced today?
No,
No legal reason. In accordance with the agreement with the state, sir, you have a state jail felony conviction, but under the provisions of Penal Code 12.44A, I will impose Class A misdemeanor punishment with 55 days in the Bexar County Jail. I'll give you credit for time served. This judgment is now satisfied. Sir, this is a revocation of your community supervision where you have waived your right to appeal. I'm making a certification of this for the record. I'll provide a copy of the certification to your attorney to provide to you. This will now conclude the hearing. Good luck to you, Mr. Beck. We are now in